Have you ever looked at your small poultry farm and thought, how can I grow this into something bigger, something that truly pays? Because the truth is, scaling your farm from 100 to 1,000 birds in Nigeria is 100% possible if you know the right steps. Let's be honest, running a poultry farm in Nigeria isn't easy. Feed prices rise every month, power supply is unstable, and disease outbreaks can happen anytime. But here's the good news. With the right plan, you can grow your farm from 100 to 1,000 healthy birds in just 6 months and still make profit. It's not about having plenty money, it's about having a smart system. Many Nigerian farmers fail because they expand without preparation. They rush to buy more chicks without fixing the problems in their current setup. Scaling starts with mastering your 100 birds first. Ask yourself, are my birds feeding well? Is mortality low? Do I know my daily feed cost? If you can't answer that, pause expansion and fix your foundation first. Record keeping is your secret weapon. Write down everything: feed intake, water consumption, mortality, and growth. When you know your numbers, you control your profit. Serious farmers treat poultry like business, not like charity. The farmers who grow big in Nigeria are the ones who track every naira that goes into feed, drugs, and labor. Before you increase your flock, improve your pen. Good ventilation and clean space reduce heat stress and disease. A crowded pen kills profit. Add enough feeders and drinkers so birds don't fight for space. If you can, install an overhead water tank or nipple drinkers to reduce wastage. Scaling without structure will only bring losses. Feed will take about 70% of your total cost, so handle it wisely. Don't buy random feed from unknown mills because it's cheap. Go for trusted brands or partner with a local feed producer you can monitor. If you can mix your own feed, even better, but make sure you get the formula right. Good feed equals fast growth and healthy profit. Biosecurity should be your daily habit. In Nigeria, one case of Newcastle or Gumboro can wipe out everything. Always disinfect the pen, control visitors, and isolate new birds before mixing them with your main flock. Buy vaccines only from reputable agro shops. Protect your birds, because one outbreak can erase months of hard work. Now let's talk about money. If you want to scale fast, you must reinvest. Don't use your early profit for personal spending. Every gain should go back into the farm, to buy more chicks, build more pens, or improve your structure. Treat your farm like a growing business, not a daily cash machine. Break your growth into phases. From 100 to 300 birds, focus on learning and stability. From 300 to 600, improve your feeding and management system. From 600 to 1,000, focus on market readiness. Don't jump stages. Grow gradually, and you'll expand with less risk. In Nigeria, scaling without buyers is a trap. Before you increase production, secure your customers. Build relationships with egg vendors, restaurants, frozen food sellers, and market women. If you have consistent supply, they'll keep coming back. Your market should grow alongside your birds. So, if you truly want to grow your poultry farm in Nigeria, don't chase numbers, build structure. Work smart, record daily, reinvest wisely, and protect your flock. 6 months from now, that small 100-bird farm can become 1,000 strong, not by luck, but by strategy and discipline. The only question is, are you ready to scale like a professional Nigerian poultry farmer?